Everyone is looking for Grok, and after watching this video, you will know how to use it completely free.
So as you know, Grok is the most powerful AI video generation tool right now. And after it has been completely paid, a lot of people have been asking me how we can use it for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can use it for completely free. And let's move towards the screen. So first of all, you just need to search this kie.ai. So this is the first website. Just enter this website. So this website offers the API to purchase, but they offer free credits to try that API first, and then you can purchase it. They have a lot of models. You can see VEO3, Sora, and even Grok. So just tap on API market, and here if you can uh, swipe and you can see Grok Imagen. Just tap on here, and here you can see there are a lot of model types, that image to video, text to image, everything here is present. So first, just let's try the image text to video. So I have this prompt. You can select your ratio, you can select your mode, you can select your duration, and even you can select your resolution. I am selecting 720, and after that you can tap on run, and here you can see within 1 minute or two your video is generated and you can easily download it for free. So I am trying another one also. This is the prompt I have pasted, and it shows that it took around 91 seconds to generate this video. So as you can see, the results are really insane. So next we can try text to image as well. So I just need one prompt to generate an image and see that results. So here you can also set your frame rate and just copy this prompt, or you can use any of your prompt and tap on run. You can see the results are ultra realistic, like every details are shown in the generated image. So let's just try image to video as well. So if you have any image and you just need to convert from image to video, just upload your image, and then you just need to select your duration, and you just need to paste your prompt as well. So here I have my prompt, and I will just copy it and paste here, and then after that I just need to choose my ratio. So that's a tick took ratio, and now my quality 720, and just tap on run, and within few seconds your video is generated. As you can see, the results are really great. So that's the result. I have prompt that cow is taking. So as you can see, we have used text to image and text to video, image to video, everything completely free. So if the credits are finished, you just need to change your email, and I think you better know how you can use a lot of emails to use this website again and again, and you can use their free credits. So if you have any question, you can comment below, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.